To enjoy all the charging benefits that your Mercedes EQ has to offer, including the first 30 minutes free with Electrify America charging stations, you'll first need to activate the Mercedes Me Charge services within the Mercedes Me Connect app. Your dealer should have already registered your vehicle with your Mercedes Me Connect app. If not, please contact your dealership. If your services are not fully activated, then you'll see an Activate Mercedes Me Charge tile on the home screen. Now you'll need to set up your Mercedes Me Charge account. Click Next to consent to the transfer of personal data to our charge partners. Log in with your password or temporary TAN code that was sent to your email or phone. Tap Next to start the registration and account setup for ChargePoint. Create account, enter your zip code, agree to legal terms, and press Next. If you already have a ChargePoint account, you can log in here to activate the Mercedes Me Charge services. If you receive the RFID card from your dealership, you may enter the info here or do so later in the driver portal. Lastly, enter in the payment method and information you would like to use for charging sessions with Mercedes Me Charge, and click the Create Account button. With Mercedes Me Charge, now all your charging payments, not to mention free benefits, are all in one easy-to-use place.